If your Chrysler 300 has a dead battery, the key fob won't work wirelessly. Locate the physical emergency key hidden inside the key fob. Insert the emergency key into the driver's side door lock cylinder to manually unlock the door. For models with push-button start, you may need to access the trunk first, then use the key on the driver's door. Once inside the vehicle, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine to power the accessories, which is needed for jump starting. Newer models may have enhanced keyless entry systems that integrate with smartphone apps for remote unlocking. Remember to consult your owner's manual for specific instructions related to your model year. To jumpstart your Chrysler 300, first park a donor vehicle hood-to-hood with yours, ensuring both vehicles are turned off and the parking brakes are engaged. Locate the 12 volts battery, typically under the hood on the driver's side. Connect the red positive jumper cable to the positive terminal of the dead battery. Connect the black negative cable to the positive terminal of the donor battery. Then to a grounded metal part on your Chrysler 300's engine block, away from the battery. Start the donor vehicle and let it run for a few minutes. Then try starting your Chrysler 300. Once started, let your Chrysler 300 run for at least 30 minutes to recharge the battery. Wear gloves and eye protection, and avoid connecting the negative portable jump starters to the dead battery's negative popular and safer due to reverse polarity protection. Consider using one if available.